I have been asked how I go from being a phonetics coach to a leadership coach to a parenting coach. Well, the truth is, the skills that drive communication, leadership, and parenting are all interconnected. But there's one aspect of parenting that needs a lot more attention, today more than ever. And parents must realize this area cannot afford to be neglected. It is how we parents need to help our children transition from school life to real life. You see, school is structured, controlled, and safe. Real life is anything but. So I'm urging parents to use your life skills, your knowledge, and work experience to bridge that gap between school life and real life. By awakening this realization, you will be helping your children develop self-awareness, critical thinking, and empathy as a natural next step. The secret is not to actually teach them lessons, but to assimilate them into your daily engagements and your conversations with them. And so I'm inviting all parents to spend 3 hours with me to learn how you can do this in an online talk titled Positive Parenting in Today's Challenging World. You will pick up tips that you can start to use right away. Let's give our children all the tools they need to better prepare for life after school. I hope you will join me. I'm Joseph Wong.